Hi everyone, welcome to your cozy corner for everything crochet. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a magic ring, also known as a magic circle, which is a very important technique in making amigurumis, circles, and this map glue is an example of what you'll be needing your magic ring for. You can also use it for your heart beanie and all that. So for every part of this map glue was started with a magic ring or your magic circle. So let's delve into the video. Now with your ball of yarn, we're going to be starting the magic ring. So what we're going to do first is hold your yarn whatever way you've mastered to holding your yarn. What I do basically is take the yarn end in between my needle and my ring finger, okay, then over it I just bring it over the index finger here and then stretch my index finger. So I use my thumb and my middle finger to hold the yarn. All right, so next, after holding your yarn, you want to wrap the tail end around your index finger and middle finger of your right hand, okay? And this is what you have. So once it's just easy. You can even do it without putting it on the index finger. Just go wrap it, just use it to form a circle, okay, on your hand like this. Then you place this intersection, that is where we are going to be holding. So you want to hold it with your thumb and your middle finger, okay? Once you hold it, then you can take your hook, whatever suitable hook you're using. I'm using 4mm hook, insert it into what you have, your the loop hole. So to make it complete and just make it steady, you want to yarn over, okay? Twist your hook. You're going to twist your hook, yarn over, okay, and then pull through. All right, so now you've created a loop. Now, so to make it your loop secured, you want to twist again, yarn over, and then pull through, okay? And this is in form of a chain. So this is your own form of slip knot for your magic circle. And then just like that, you've made a magic ring foundation. All right, so now we're going to start working our stitches into our magic ring. So for our single crochet, you have one loop here. Go back into the magic ring, just twist your hook, yarn over and pull through, and then yarn over and pull through the two loops that you have. All right, and then you've created a single crochet. All right, go into the same. To do another one, we're going to be doing 6, right? Insert into your magic ring, yarn over and pull through. You should have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. All right, if you're working your half double crochet, then it should be, yarning over first, go into this, yarn over and pull through, then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. All right, so that's for your half double crochet. So let's just continue with our single crochet. All right, this is the 3rd one. So we are making 6. So as you can see, this is adjustable. Like I told you, you can pull it however you want to adjust the ring. And as you can see, I am working on both the yarn tail end and then the loop that we created, like the ring that we created. I'm working on both of them at the same time. So go into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. You should have 2, and then yarn over, pull through 2. Now this is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go into it, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. This is 5, and then we're going to be making the last one. going to it, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. All right, and this is 6, so you have 6 single crochet in total now. So what you're going to be doing is we're going to be adjusting the ring. So you want to pull your yarn in, hold this place where you worked on, and then you pull. All right, as you can see, I am pulling and then the magic ring is closing. So as you can see, yeah, so this will be, it will be the first round, and then you can start working, you know, multiple rounds, then to be able to create whatever it is you want to create. You can also work double crochet stitches in your magic ring, any form of basic stitch. That is what you can work in your magic ring. So to continue the other rounds, you can either slip stitch, you go into the first stage of this, you yarn over and pull through to slip stitch. That will close your first round. Then you start working for the other rounds. But for now, this is how you've successfully mastered making the magic ring or the magic circle